There was a matter involving a case of buggery of a 4-year-old child. That matter went to the Santa Cruz Parish Court. The accused in the matter was remanded until September 11, where the case will again be mentioned. I want to speak generally because we have found in a number of cases that the accused in the matters relating to rape are persons that are either relative or closely related to the persons or the victims. And so we are asking parents, we're asking guardians, particularly those who have custody and control over their children, to pay attention to any change in the behavior of their children and to ensure that all matters are reported to the police. This parish, and certainly Jamaica, I'm sure, we have no space for persons who are preying on our children. These are children. We expect that they should enjoy their childhood life. And so we're asking persons who have information relating to any child that they suspect to be abused to report it to the Black River CIB 119 or to the nearest police station. Since the start of this year, we have 14 cases reported of rape. This is one more than 2022, where we had 13 reported cases. The clear up for this year is much better than last year. We have 9 matters cleared versus 5 for 2022. Of the 14 cases that have been reported, some of the matters involve children, minors. And so we want to encourage persons who are victims of sexual offenses to come forward. In this division, we treat with matters relating to this very sensitive but very seriously. And so we're encouraging persons who may have been victims of rape. There's another case we're treating with which occurred earlier this week, where a 14-year-old was raped. And that matter is being investigated now, and the case file is being prepared. We note at this particular time during the summer that the cases of rape tend to be higher than other periods throughout the year. And so we're asking our guardians, our parents, to pay special attention to our children and to report the matters to the police.